Hello, this poem is called It Will Come. I see pretty things glistening with happiness, a way I love to see people like humanity is equal. I see what a tired mood brings, all seem to sleep when I see they are broke off to be. But one thing that separates is if the sky has an answer and you accept a slow dance. Pretty things will prance, the tired will be antsy, and the ones with belief will be in relief as they dance slowly, knowing themselves. Change is in the clouds, looking out for your sanity, where you're loud and you enjoy independently. Let it be God, and it will come, a will to be godly and numb. Thank you.